Hi guys! Dito na kami ngayon sa hotel apartment. Karating lang. We're here in... What is this, Daddy? Time Place Hotel? Time Place Hotel apartment. In Dubai. And here we go. Here we go. Ooh. Look at this. Oh, I forgot to close the door. Okay, here we go. Hi. And this one. Hi. Ooh, nice. Amazing. Ooh. This one. This one. Hindi siya. I thought this one is tawag nito. Salamin. Hindi pala siya salamin. Ooh. Oh, nice. Oh, very nice. May upuan dito. Yan, upuan. And then sofa. Ooh, this one is good, ha? This one, apakalaki ng TV nila. And then may ganyan. And here is the toilet. This one, toilet. Toilet! May bathtub. May ganon. And then, here we go, like that. Ooh, this one. Hi. Hi. Hi, Dad. And this one is the bedroom. Ooh, amazing! Ang ganda naman dito. And this one is the sofa. Another sofa. Look at this. May salamin agad. Hi. Hi, Dad. Daddy, look at this. Hi, Daddy.
Look at the view. Look at the view.
Take off your shoes.
Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that.
Ate, photo.
Oh, amazing.
Kaya pwede maglakas sa umaga na.
Look at that. Sorry. Galing naman. Ayan. And dito yung tulugan. And then what else? Well, ito. Ang tawag nito, cabinet. And this one. Yan nga, toilet. And this one, sala. Ayan, may sopa din dito. Ayan, nandito yung kitchen. Ito yung kitchen. Ito yung kitchen. May fridge, may lutuan. Yan, ang kusina. And then, lutuan. Ito, may mga gamit sila dito. Yan ay libre lang yan. And then, dito may mga kapihan, may lutuan. And then, yan, andyan siguro yung mga lutuan dyan. Ayan. And then, this side is the view also. Look at this. Oh!
Lagay mo ito sa roof mo.
Ang tataas ng building! Ooh, anyway guys, andito kami ngayon sa
Ate, there's a glass.
21 floor. 21, wala pa to sa kalahati. O, yan. Taas ng mga building. Hi, Dad. Hi, honey.
Here's a swimming pool.
Ooh, this one. Hi, Nine, Alexa. So, yan lang. And then, ito. Ang daming salamin. Yan lang. Yan, anyway, truth. Ha. Yan, oh, nice. Ang laki, Daddy, no? Hi, guys. Hi, honey. Hi, Alexa. Hi, Ate R.A. So, ayan lang. Dito to sa Time Place Apartment. Ayan lang. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye! So guys, kanina nakalimutan ko pala sabihin na mayroon din ditong plancha, lagayan ng labahan, tsaka ayan. Ayun lang. Pwede maglaba dito. So ayan lang.